Let's take a look at this multi-utility card tool. This has 18 tools in it. This is TSA compliant. This is a lightweight and ultra thin multi-tool that conveniently fits in your wallet. Some of the features it has. This is designed in California and made in China. It costs around 250 rupees or around $4 or so. This is how it looks. You can also buy it in many different shapes. One of the main features is the bottle opener. It's also really thin. You can easily put this in your wallet. You can see some of the features. Can opener, fruit peeler. You can use these to tighten screws. This also you can use for screws. That's letter opener. This is the ruler. Box opener. This edge has a screwdriver which you can use on small screws. You can use this slit to convert this into a phone stand. That's how you convert this into a phone stand. It works for emergencies. You can also bend the card a little bit and get a better grip. You can use this space and this space to wrap your headphones around. Some really nice features and some not so useful features. Kind of amazing deal at the price, and you can carry this in your pocket. You can also get it in different colors and shapes. Again, really lightweight and quite strong. Quite nice. Check it out.